Ever wondered why some marketers crush it with Google Ads while others keep losing money? Today, I'm uncovering the secret sauce behind Google Ads experts' success in 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Google Ads has become an indispensable tool in today's competitive digital world. With millions of businesses fighting for attention online, mastering Google Ads isn't just an advantage, it's survival. But here's the big question: what separates the winners from the rest? The truth is, experts don't just run ads, they strategize smarter, analyze deeper, and adapt faster than anyone else. Mastering Google Ads is no easy feat. Between constant algorithm updates, fierce competition, and rising ad costs, one wrong move can drain your budget. That's why experts approach every campaign like a chess game, always thinking two steps ahead. So, Bea, what exactly are their winning strategies? Let's break it down. Data driven decisions. Top advertisers don't guess, they track, analyze, and optimize every little detail. Powerful keyword research. They don't just target traffic, they target the right traffic that converts. Staying ahead of trends. Google changes the rules daily, and experts never get left behind. Compelling ad copy. It's not about ads that look good, it's about ads that make people click and buy. But here's the real game changer: experts think outside the box. Instead of selling products, they sell solutions. For example, shifting from our product has XYZ features to here's how real people solved their problem with us. That simple shift often doubles conversions. And let's not forget A B testing. Experts don't rely on gut feelings, they rely on results. They constantly test headlines, visuals, CTS, and keep refining until the campaign is unstoppable. So here's the bottom line: if you want to succeed with Google Ads in 2025, you need more than just knowledge. You need a data driven mindset, creative problem solving, and the hunger to keep learning. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think makes a Google Ads expert truly successful? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next deep dive into digital marketing secrets. Don't forget to subscribe.